Hey everybody. Okay, so I think it's about hour and a half to 2 hours later, directly after the video, and these, look at them. Just look at them. And I found these barbells, yeah, that I had to put some of that on that I soaked in the vinegar, and these look just freaking so much better, you know? This bar, let's go this one first. There still is some rust, you see? Like here, but that's not, that wasn't coming off. That's like welded on or something, I don't know. Because this side doesn't have that extra layer like that. But this was definitely the worst bar. Like it was just harder to get it off, but look, it looks good. It's just tinted like that. But this part, look at that, that's great. Much better than it was. That's bar one, curl bar. We're gonna do this bar. I did this bar second. This had some that was a little hard to get off, but look at this part of the bar. All the way down. Look at that middle part. Cleared up just nice. You know? But now these are usable, and I can make sets out of all the freaking weights I have. I have like 1,500 pounds or something hanging out, ready to list. So these bars were needed. And this one was 2 pieces, and the metal ones. I just oiled those, and those look great. This looks great. I had some, see it still has that on there, a little bit of a spot. But it's not much from what it was. And this part had where the ends were really rusted. You can see where it was rusted more than the other part, but it got a lot of it off. And it looked good enough. Yeah. So, yeah. There they are. Nice clean bars. Ready to go. Alright, that's it for the barbell restoration. Much easier than the plates. Which are over there, waiting to be flipped over shortly. And second coat on those. But these are done. That's all I'm doing to these. And yeah, I might as well explain what I did. I took like one of these bars, brought them over to I got this bench for free the other day. It's just all wobbly, so I used it to clean everything. Put it on here. Just took a little bit of the 3-in-1 oil. Yeah, right there. And just spread it on there. Not a whole lot, but enough to cover it. And then just kept adding more as I went, and just scraped it with this brush. And then I would wipe it with this rag. Wearing this glove. Then after, just to get all the hard, like so it's not slippery oil, I just wipe the smooth part with this, and then the knurling I just tapped it, like wrapped it around there and just kind of dabbed it down. And that was it. That was literally it. So some you had to scrub harder than others, but it's all it really was. So looking great, and be making some sets soon. Some sets for resale. Oh yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace.